Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel Less Bitter More Glitter. In this video I'm gonna get ready with you and put on my makeup. So many of you guys haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe, comment and like my videos. If you didn't know, I'm a Pinkbox subscriber since 2016. Pinkbox is a beauty subscription box. Every month it comes with 5 different products. Each month Pinkbox does a raffle on their Instagram and I participated and I won! So let me show you what I won. This makeup CATRICE set. Let me start with my eyebrows first. So I used the Slimatic Ultra Precise Eyebrow Pen from CATRICE. It's in the color Cool Brown. And it has like this on the other side and it's very good to draw the eyebrows. Let's do that. Then I use this brush on the eyebrow pencil to blend in my eyebrows. So next I use this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. It's one shade or two lighter than my skin tone and I apply it under my eyebrows for a cleaner look. So now this is the side with concealer and this is without. I'm gonna do the other side now. Now I'm gonna use the 10-in-1 Dream Primer from CATRICE. So it does priming, hydrating, anti-wrinkle, a natural glow, anti-pollution, anti-oxidation, pore minimizing, evens out skin tone, blurs imperfections, UV protection SPF 15. So let's try it. So I apply it on my skin everywhere a bit. It's like with a color. I usually don't use color or makeup, but it's alright. For me it's easier to apply with the hands, with my fingers, I mean. It feels very light on the skin. And gives quite a glow. Okay. I think now I have enough. So next we use this CATRICE Poreless Perfection powder to mattify the skin where it shouldn't be glowy. Okay. Then we have here an eyeliner, the Calligraph Pro Matte Liner in waterproof. Should last 24 hours. It's like with this felt tip. It's very easy to draw the line with it. Other side. Okay, now both my eyes are with liner. Then we have here lashes. Yeah, Lash Couture Dramatic Smoky Lashes. This, and we have a mascara, the Iconista High Volume Mascara with hemp seed oil. Everything from CATRICE. So I'm very used to apply lashes. I rarely use mascara, only for my bottom lash. I never use the glue who comes inside it. Oopsie. So I use the glue from Chris, or Huda Beauty is also very good for applying lashes. It's a black, not a clear one, because I do liner. I like that more. So this is the glue I use from Kiss. And I use this pin set. I gently remove it. Okay. Then I just lightly press on the tube, just a bit glue on the lashes. Okay, that's enough. So I always hold it in the middle of the lashes. Okay. They are not so easy to apply, but we will do it anyway. Okay. Yeah, they are really natural. I'm not sure yet if I like them, but they look cute. So the other side now. Oops. So this is the finished result with my lashes on. Next, the eyes are finished for now. Oh no, we have this mascara for the bottom lashes. I almost forgot. It has a perfect brush for the bottom lashes. It's very small. Okay. Now we are finished with the eyes. We come to the highlighter. It's the More Than Glow highlighter. It's a very beautiful one with a flower on it. Yeah, it's in the color Supreme Rose Beam number 20. So we're gonna apply it with the brush. Just here a bit. The other side. Okay. And a bit here. Oh, and we also apply it a bit in the inner corner of the eyes. Okay. And now we're coming to the lip products. We have 3 different ones. This is the plumping liner. The color is understated chic. Then we have this lipstick. It's the color Red Define Love. This is the color. Then the Liquid Matte Pro Ink Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick in the color Braveness Wins. So I think first I'm gonna use the lighter color, and after I'm gonna show you the other one as well. Then we use the lip liner. Then the liquid lipstick. How do you think this color matches my skin? I feel it makes me very fresh looking. Yeah. Now I apply the matte demi red lipstick. It's a beautiful red. Which one do you like more? The other or this one? So this is the finished look. How do you like it? I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more beauty or unboxing videos I would be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!